Let's do it again.
Hi, welcome to our vlog.
Hi, welcome to our vlog. Today, Gabby, do you know what are we going to make?
Coffee jelly.
That's right, Gabby. We're going to teach them how to make quick and easy coffee jelly. Are you ready to start, Gabby?
Yes.
Hey, Gab, what is the ingredients?
Brown sugar.
6 cups of water.
6 cups of water. Brown sugar. Coffee. Chili powder.
For our sauce, we need evaporated milk, condensed milk, instant coffee, Nestle cream. Now we will start with our jelly making. Once it's mixed, we need to light our oil. We need to light up our fire. Then continue stirring until it boils. It means when it bubbles. Don't forget to always have an adult. When you cook something or use something when you're not really with adult, you might hurt yourself or burn yourself.
Another coffee out there.
That's right, yeah.
Or is it done cooking po?
Let's wait for a few more minutes. When it's boiling, you will turn off the fire. Getting really hot.
Smoke.
Our mixture is done, so we're ready to pour it. Since it's hot, as an adult, to assist you. We poured our mixture in our pan. Just let it cool until the jelly forms. Take a little while.
It's very smoky.
It's a bit so smoky. While we are waiting for coffee jelly to form, we will do our sauce. Gab, can you do our sauce?
Yes.
Let's pour our coffee.
Let's pour our coffee.
Put it in. Whoa. Now it's in hard pieces. Gab, what's next?
Pop milk.
Uh-oh. Kind of spill? That's alright.
Here?
Carefully.
Here?
Yes. Slowly. Don't make your hand in there. Wow. Mix our coffee and our pop milk. Once it's mixed, we will add condensed milk. Come on, get it in.
Get it.
Mix it, yeah. Only not too much.
Not too much.
Not too much. Nice.
Add 2 Nestle creams.
Be careful, do not spill it.
It's squishy. It's squishy. Squish, squish. Squish, squish. We're doing this. But squishy. Oopsie.
Oh no! Ah! While Gabby's mixing, I will cut the coffee jelly to small squares. It's actually super hard and wiggly.
That's okay.
I'm snipping, snip into.
I'm mixing this.
Gabby's taster. wash my hands later. Do not skip this part. Never. Never use a real knife when it's super sharp. Kids never use a real knife. Then you will get hurt. That's a plastic knife. Yeah, but a real knife is very dangerous. Yeah, but that's not dangerous. That's only okay for kids. Yes, it's because it's plastic. It's plastic. Mine's made of plastic. What's your made of? Yours. What's your knife made? Your blue knife made of? Taste more. Taste more ito. Taste it. Taste it first. Is it yummy? Pour our sauce. Pour our sauce into our gelatin. Everywhere. Too much, that's why it's gooey. Very gooey. Very gooey. Super gooey. Okay, be careful. Don't spill it. Don't spill out your stuff. Now it's mixed. We will chill it before we eat it. We're going to chill it. Don't eat it yet. That's too many. We can eat it without chilling it. Gabby. Gabby, this is every floor. It's the vacuum. Last. Gabby spin. A small one. No more, Gab. So delicious, ate. Taste it. Tomorrow will cool off. We will give Lola and Papa and Manay some coffee bill. After when it cools off. Oh no! Wait. Let me put one more scoop. This is falling. We're done. Bye. Now, do you like it? Yes. Don't eat mine. That's apple. It's apple.